Looking for the best wheel spacers for your 2024 Toyota 4Runner? You've come to the right place. The importance of choosing the right wheel spacer is often overlooked, but it can make a world of difference to your vehicle's performance. Stay tuned to find out how to choose the best wheel spacers for your vehicle. Now, you might wonder why size matters when it comes to wheel spacers. The answer is simple. Installing the right size spacers can greatly improve your 2024 Toyota 4Runner's performance and give it an aggressive, cool look. Moreover, by pushing the wheels out, you gain more inside rim space. This reduces the risk of the tire rubbing against the suspension or brakes, especially if you have larger brake calipers. So, proper size wheel spacers not only enhance your vehicle's performance but also protect it from potential damage. Having understood the benefits, let's dive into what types of wheel spacers are best for your 2024 Toyota 4Runner. The wheel spacers you'll want to consider are those made from high-strength alloys. Two such alloys stand out: 6061 T6 aluminum and 7075 T6 aluminum. These are the heavy hitters when it comes to producing top-notch wheel spacers. Let's talk about their key features. Both these alloys are celebrated for their exceptional strength, toughness, and hardness, which ensure your spacers can endure the rigors of off-roading. Additionally, they boast excellent corrosion resistance, a crucial factor when you're tackling those muddy trails or sandy dunes. Remember, quality matters when it comes to wheel spacers, and these aluminum variants are some of the best available in the market. In a nutshell, choosing the right wheel spacers for your 2024 Toyota 4Runner is crucial. The correct size ensures optimal performance, a cooler look, and increased safety by preventing tire rubbing. Quality aluminum wheel spacers, particularly those made from 6061 T6 and 7075 T6, are a top choice due to their durability and corrosion resistance. So make an informed decision and ensure a smooth and safe ride for your 2024 Toyota 4Runner. See you in the next video.